Adding the cookie banner to your Squarespace website has actually never been easier. Today I'm going to show you the quickest way in getting it done. So let's dive in. So if you find yourself right over here on this page where you can go ahead and edit your website, you can go to the left hand side and you'll see your navigation bar. You're going to go all the way to the bottom and you're going to look for the settings icon. Now in this main section here, you'll see cookies and data privacy. Within here, you can manage that cookies banner. Okay, so here it is right at the top. Let's click on that icon. It will enable it. Here you can see this is what it looks like, but you can go ahead and completely customize it. First of all, you can change the accept button label. You can also enable the manage cookies button, which will allow your visitors to actually manage those permissions. And then you can also add a decline all button. You can also change what it actually says on the button. You can also add a disclaimer text, which you can edit. You can also change a few of the formatting settings there. And then you can see that there is a layout option here. So it can move in onto the page in different ways. And then the preferences label, you can just change that as well. Now, going back up to the customized banner style, let's just click on this and let's just go ahead and say leave. And we are going to be now redirected to the actual page of our website. And here you can go ahead and continue to customize what that banner actually looks like. So here it is. This is the cookie banner, and you can go ahead and now completely change everything about it. So you've got the color theme, the banner position, and then the disclaimer text size as well. And once you're done, you're going to just make sure you go up to the top left, click on save so that you save your changes, and you're done.